Now after we got all of our points moved in, what we're going to do is we're just going to unfold it like so. Now that we've got it unfolded, we need to make another crease here that's halfway there. So what we're going to do is bring our point in and try to keep it in line with our other cross section here. The easiest way to do that would actually be to take this paper, just bisect it this way, just so we make sure that the lines that we have are straight with everything else that we're doing. So if we get through, there we go. Just go ahead and fold it one more time. There we go. Now we have our nice creases in there like so. We'll just bring this guy over. Oh, look at that, I was off just a little bit. Do it like that. We'll just do it on all sides up to that initial crease that we've created. And I'll just finish it out on all the rest of these.